Today we're diving into Dash Coin, a project that many people thought had gone quiet, but the last 24 hours have completely changed the tone. Dash is suddenly back on the radar, trading around $81 and recording a strong 27% pump in a single day, something we haven't seen from this coin in a long time. And the most interesting part is that this pump didn't come out of hype alone. There's actual momentum building across the privacy and payments narrative that is bringing coins like Dash back into the spotlight. Over the past week, the entire privacy-focused category has been heating up again. With global regulations tightening and more platforms tracking user data aggressively, traders are rotating into assets that offer real on-chain privacy and fast, borderless transactions. Dash, being one of the earliest and most reliable privacy-centric digital cash systems, is benefiting directly from this trend. It has decades of credibility in crypto time, strong technology, and a huge real-world use history, especially in emerging markets where digital cash alternatives still matter. A major update pushing Dash right now is the renewed attention it's getting from large traders as liquidity increases across older proof-of-work chains. On-chain activity shows a rise in long-term holders moving coins from exchanges into personal wallets, a pattern that often signals accumulation. At the same time, Dash transaction volumes have gone up sharply this week, which is unusual for a project that typically moves quietly in the background. This sudden burst of volume paired with rising market sentiment toward privacy coins has created the perfect setup for a breakout, and that's exactly what we saw today. Now let's talk about future targets. With Dash back at $81, traders are eyeing key resistance zones that could shape the next big move. If Dash holds above current levels with strong volume, the next psychological target sits around $95, and beyond that, a clean breakout toward $110 to $120 becomes possible. These levels may sound aggressive, but Dash has a long history of making large, rapid moves once momentum is on its side, and the current spike suggests that the market is rediscovering its value. What makes Dash particularly interesting right now is the renewed interest from regions suffering from currency instability. Whenever fiat systems show cracks, inflation, bank restrictions, or economic pressure, we historically see a rise in Dash transactions as people seek reliable alternatives for everyday payments. That real-world utility is something very few coins can claim today.